All right, it's the Archer and Olive quarterly box. It's $70, and just like last month, I was like, I'm gonna cancel it, and then I just didn't. So it came, it's here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's bright yellow, and if you remember last time, it was like a bright, like almost like a neon green. I just knocked the camera. But let's go ahead and just take all of this out so we can see what's in here. And I know the box was stained. I don't think that's their fault. I think it was the post office. It got lost in the mail. It took a few days to get here. So yeah, so the whole packaging around the box was kind of like, I don't know, it's like a weird oil kind of thing. I'm not really sure, but either way, it just is, it didn't affect anything in the packaging. So that's good. So we have a decorative tin of note cards here. Aw, it's damaged. Well, I mean, to be fair, this package took a while to get here, so who knows where it was before it got here. But inside of here, we have cute little envelopes scooting on by to say hi. I think they're blank inside. Yeah, they're blank inside. And, oh, we have a couple different, it looks like we get two of each design. And then we have your spectacular. If you're wondering what the size of these cards are, I will tell you in 2 seconds. They are about 4.5 inches wide by 5.5 inches tall. And we have the zest, and well, maybe I'll move this. There's like a shadow. Orange, you amazing. Hope all is swimmingly well. And oh, and then we just have some blank cards with little dot grids. I've never seen that. That's kind of cute. They're like colored paper. Oh, and on the other side, it's just blank. So no dot grids there. And then envelopes for all of these. So that's cute in case you ever need to send a quick note to someone. And then we have Archer and Olive acrylograph pens. And I know everyone hates me when I say this, but I'm just not a fan of the acrylograph pens. I find them difficult to use. I've been told I just don't use them the correct way, or I do not, you need to hold them down for a long time, but they just seem like they're not that bright. And because of that, the lack of brightness, then I can't really see anything. Of course, I picked the yellow one. I bet the yellow one you can't see at all, but let's try out all these colors and see what goes on. I know. Who has time for this? Who has time to wait for all these to start moving? Okay. It looks like normal. This pen will not work for a few days. I don't know how long you're supposed to hold them down. Don't worry, I will do a time lapse so you don't have to wait for this. But let's just hold all of these pens down. Let's do 3 of them. And then we have this one, which I don't even know if that's going to be any color. We'll go ahead and try it. As long as I'm holding them all down. So here is blue. And then we have yellow, which you can barely see. And then we have orange. And we have the pink. I don't know why. The pink, it's just not coming out like it should. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be held down the longest. And then we have, I'm going to just call this like a gray color. So I would say the strongest colors are the gray, the blue, and the orange in terms of just like ink coming out, in case you're wondering. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the acrylographs. I don't hate them. I just, you know, oh yeah, now it's all over my hands. All right, let's just push that aside for now. Let's look at what else we have. So we have wax seals and wax set. Ooh, this sounds fun. So I did recycle all of my wax seals because I have plenty of wax seals. I have so many. So let's test this out and see what it is. All right, let's hope that's enough wax. And we'll take this seal and press it down on here. And there we go. So we have, I don't know if you can see that, it is a lime, no, maybe a lemon, a watermelon slice, and some leaves. So So that's what we got going on here. So if you've never seen a wax seal, this is kind of nice. I will say that this handle is just a little smaller than what I'm used to. And maybe that's because I do wedding envelopes. So usually you want to make this ice cold and then you can just start stamping and stamping. But as you can see, you have a limited amount of time and I just put wax on my thing, but it's okay. It's wax, it'll come off. And let's just move this over here to the side. All right, so wax seal kit. And then we got washi tape. I don't know why. I just don't see the point of washi tape. I mean, I get it. It's there to help you decorate stuff. Oh, look at that. There's like a thin one, a regular, and then a super thick washi tape over here. They're okay. I don't hate them. I'm just not a washi tape person. And then over here we have watercolor effect stickers. Okay. I clearly cannot open that, but that's all right. So we have a little handbag. We have a little lemonade stand. We have a little lemon swimsuit, a bikini. We have a little moped and wish you were here. Oh, wait, there's one more. And we have some vacation made more sunglasses. So that's cute. Stickers. And can I get them off? What was the theme? It said they were watercolor effect. All right, so those are our stickers. I think that was it. Oh wait, nope, I lied. There's more stuff. Okay, three more things. Journal cover, and maybe we should open up the journal first. We got a dot grid journal, 192 pages, and it looks like I need a pair of scissors to open this up. So let's go ahead, slice this open. Oh, that's pretty. I actually very much like that design. I think that's cute with the oranges and the leaves and little gold foiling. And oh, even cuter, it's a moped, a gold foiled moped on a yellow notebook. So I believe this is, did it tell us what size it was? I believe it's A5 size. I will just tell you with my ruler. It is about 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches tall. And it's all dot grid with and it's like an orange kind of color on the outside to kind of go with the whole motif. We had an orange box for the wax seal, even though the wax seal is pink. So, all right, now let's open up the journal cover that came with it. So this is the journal cover, and this is not meant for that, I don't think. Is it meant for that? No, this is way too small for that. I guess it's for a much smaller journal. I don't know how I feel about those. They don't really snap in. Yeah, it's like a pocket folio kind of thing. All right, so it's faux leather, so it's nice and soft and easily foldable. Let's look at the last thing that we got, which is a dot grid notebook. Oh, I get it. It's for this notebook, not for this one. All right, I am a little slow on the draw. I opened these in the wrong order. Again, I really like this decoration. It's very pretty. Let's open this up. This is what is supposed to go inside of the folio that we got. I almost like the box more than I actually like the notebook inside. Not sure if that's normal. All right, so this matches some of that washi tape we saw from before over here. And I don't know if I like this one as much. I loved this one. Maybe because I just like simpler classic things. But I do love dot grid. I think their little insignia is cute for their thing. Okay, now let's try it inside of the folio. So we'll pop this into here, like so. And then this one, I guess you just ignore this if you have your folio holder, because you don't really need it, because this will just hold it closed. There you go. I don't know. I almost feel like this should be taken off. It's kind of hard or awkward to set there. What, maybe we should, what should I do with this? Maybe I should put this like that, so then it's kind of out of the way. Is it folded? It's like folded incorrectly. There we go. And I guess then you couldn't use the pot. Is this a pocket? Yeah, it's a pocket. Oh, no, you can use it. I'm just kidding. Oh, look at that. I didn't even notice that. It says Archer and Olive. It's like embossed on there. All right, now we got it. Now we have everything. So now you can use this. And because it's faux leather, it lays nice and soft, doesn't close up on you, and you actually get 2 bookmarks inside of here. And then you can still use the pocket folder. I was wrong. So you could stick, maybe you could stick like your little stickers inside of there. And then you can close this up. There we go. So it's not a perfect close, but maybe over time you can like mold it. So, all right, so let's look at everything that we got. So we got this cover for our journal. We have some washi tape. We got some wax sticks for our wax seal. We got these cute, adorable cards. We have this super cute tin. Mine's a little damaged. That's okay. With this on top. We got the acrylograph pens. We have this journal. And I think that's it, right? Oh, no, and we got stickers. So lots of stuff in this box. Definitely worth the $70. I thought everything was super cute. Let me know what you thought.